ṣé ẹ̀ ń dé mò ń sọ fún yín a dẹ̀ máa ń sọ fún yín Peter Obi wọ́n á pariwo ẹ̀ dáadáa owó yẹn á wà pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ dáadáa ṣùgbọ́n ọwọ́ ara bí báyìí ó ní bó ṣe fẹ́ ṣe Ọlọ́run á dẹ̀ bá wọn lọ́wọ́ sí àti ìdàrú yẹn torí àti ìdàrú yẹn àti kó má dì yẹn òun gan làǹfà ibi tí agbára Yorùbá wà nìyẹn kì í ṣe àwa o àwa kọ́ la máa sọ pé kí election má ṣeé ṣe a máa fẹnu sọ kó má ṣeé ṣe ṣùgbọ́n Ọlọ́run á lọ́wọ́ sí ọwọ́ Fúlàní gangan Ọlọ́run á di ọkàn wọn lé wípé kò ní ṣeé ṣe torí wọ́n mọ nǹkan tó wọ́n ń tò wọn ò fẹ́ kí Bọ́lá Tinubu débẹ̀ òun lòun náà tilẹ̀ ránṣẹ́ ń bọ́ gbogbo àwọn ibi tó ti lọ ṣé ó sọ̀rọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn láti Ògùn state nígbà tí wọ́n ti di pé wọ́n ń kówó pamọ́ wọ́n ń képo pamọ́ lòun gan ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ṣe kí ni ló ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí bọ́ ẹ wo nǹkan tí wọ́n sọ ìlú dà bàbá yìí náà ó ṣe o Buhari ní 1983-84 pẹ̀lú ohun ìdí àgbọn lọ change owó bó ṣe ṣe náà rèé history tún repeat ara ẹ̀ ẹ wò bá tó ti ń tò ń bọ̀ ipò tó ti ń ṣe election tó ń lulẹ̀ kí ó ṣe kíní ó lulẹ̀ ó ṣe kejì ó lulẹ̀ ó ṣe kẹta lọ́wọ́ wá fà lápá pé kó máa bọ̀ òun ló lọ gbé wàhálà wá ta ló jẹ́ ká blame gbogbo rògbòdìyàn tó wà nílẹ̀ Yorùbá ẹ̀ bàbá Ahmed Tinubu ni bàbá Ahmed Tinubu ló lọ fa wàhálà wá ló fa ìjọ̀ngbọ̀n wá ló fa bìlísì wá fún ọmọ Yorùbá torí tí Buhari ò bá wọlé gbogbo àwọn tó wá fi síbẹ̀ gbogbo Fúlàní tó fi sí gbogbo oríkèéríkèé gbogbo ibi tí agbára wà kò ní ṣeé ṣe fún ó wọlé tà ìwọlé tán ní 2015 ó ti dànù ni níjọ́ tó ti sọ ẹ̀yìn nǹkan ló ti ń sọ pé I'm for everybody I'm not for nobody I'm for everybody pé Bọ́lá Ahmed ò lẹ́nu ń bẹ̀ mọ́ ó ní nǹkan tó fẹ́ wá ṣe finishing business tó ti ń ṣe bọ̀ láti wájú òun fẹ́ wá parí ẹ̀ ó fẹ́ close nǹkan tí wọ́n ti ṣe nǹkan tó ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ ó fẹ́ finish ẹ̀ nǹkan tó fẹ́ wá ṣe nìyẹn ṣùgbọ́n Ọlọ́run ò ní fún ṣe alálẹ̀ Yorùbá ò ní fún ṣe Ọlọ́run tó dá wa sórí ilẹ̀ wọn ò ní fún ṣe ẹ máa gbọ́ nǹkan tí máa nǹkan náà tún sọ ẹ gbọ́ lẹ́yìn ẹ máa gbọ́ nǹkan ẹ máa gbọ́ o ẹ bá wa share ètò yìí ẹ bá wa like ẹ bá wa subscribe ẹ gbọ́ nǹkan tí màánù ti sọ tó ní Ahmed Tinubu lórí Ahmed Tinubu ó yẹ bá wa gbé sí ẹ gbọ́ nǹkan tó sọ. torí ẹni a wí fún ọba jẹ́ ó gbọ́ tí ọba wà tó bá yẹ kó selfish nǹkan tójú ẹ̀ máa ń rí òun ni nǹkan tí ojú Ahmed Tinubu tó ń rí yẹn. ó ń play ń bíbà yìí kí ló dé tí ò play lọ́hùn ó ń play.
I love you from the bottom of my heart and I have tremendous respect.
Mi mọ̀ bóyá máa loud.
And even for the person that you are ever ready to help. And
the video can play.
Even,
but it's playing here. Mi mọ̀ nǹkan tó dé tí ò play lórí system.
You've been kind to me and all that. Well, let me tell you something.
Ẹ jẹ́ kí n wò bóyá mo lè replay ní bíbá ẹ ní sùúrù ẹ gbé kúrò ńbẹ̀. Màá wò bóyá mo lè replay ní bíbá. Because video yẹn is very very important. Mo fẹ́ kí àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá kí wọ́n gbọ́. mi mọ nǹkan tó dé tí ò ṣe play lọ́hùn yẹn mo ó ń play lórí àwọn device tèmi ń bì báyìí mi mọ nǹkan tó dé tí ò play lórí system màá gbé síbi tó ti máa loud ní ìsìn ẹ má wọrí mo fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ gbọ́ nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ bí tó Bọ́lá Tinubu bó ṣe fi ọwọ́ fa ìjọ̀gbọ̀n sílẹ̀ Yorùbá tó mú wàhálà wọlé nítorí tí èèyàn bá wà láyé tó yẹ pé tara ẹ̀ nìkan ló mọ̀ wọ́n wá ń sọ ń bẹ̀ yẹn nísìnyí pé tó bá jẹ́ nǹkan táwọn máa jẹ tó bá jẹ́ nǹkan táwọn máa mu ọ̀wọ́n ní gbogbo ẹ̀ when you know that èmi ò mọ bí tí afọbajẹ gẹsẹ̀ afọbajẹ èmi ò mọ bí tó ti ń fẹ́ tó ti yẹ pé tí wọ́n máa du ọba nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ nìyẹn ẹ ní ọ̀wọ́n tí ẹ pé ẹ lè yàn síbẹ̀ nígbà tá a ti ẹ̀ wá ń pè. ẹ má bínú ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi mo fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ gbọ́ fídíò yẹn ni ó máa play lórí adé loud dada. mo fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ gbọ́ ni it's very important kó wọlé ká gbọ́. ẹ má bínú ṣe rí torí wọ́n nítorí kéèyàn lè dáràn ló ṣe ń sọ̀yàn lórúkọ olúkálukú wa gbogbo nǹkan tá a bá ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ ló máa ní ẹ̀san wọ́n dẹ̀ máa ń sọ wípé ìdájọ́ ilé ayé yìí ìdájọ́ wà tẹ́ bá believe pé ní ọ̀run ìdájọ́ kan wà lọ́run yìí tó wà nílé ayé yìí ìdájọ́ máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti ilé ayé ni torí kò sí èèyàn kan ò ní gbàlùbọ́sà kó ń wo ẹ̀fọ́.
My brother Leke.
èmi ò mọ̀ bí ẹ̀ ń gbọ́ báyìí.
You would be the one to attest to it that I love you from the bottom of my heart and I have tremendous respect for you.
Well, my brother Leke.
Even for the person that you are, ever ready to help, and I can publicly even attest to that. You've been kind to me and all that. Well, let me tell you something. Whatever we are doing, even at this time, it's about what this brilliant footballer had explained away why he will laugh out even when he misses an obvious chance. And that is JJ Okocha. People thought he was laughing just for the fun of it. No, it was out of extreme and deep thought. Whatever we are doing tonight will never affect the outcome of the primaries. It will never change Buhari's mind.
Benny.
So it is not about you trying to emotionally blackmail us.
That's right.
Or to be perhaps trying to do some emotional market. It has nothing to do with what we are doing. If you really want to understand what is going on, I will try and explain.
Yes, please.
Tinubu is the very architect of what is happening to him.
That's right.
The very, very architect of what is happening to him. If Tinubu had played the Omoluabi kind of politics, it is a man that was a nobody, a practical nobody.
My brother Leke.
As a governorship candidate, even when it was controversial,
you would be the one to
they send one of their own, Sean Williams, to accommodate him, who was never a member of our periphery.
That's right.
And what then happened? See the way he treated the elders, the leaders of our periphery, who made him to become a governor. And if he had not become a governor, then what would have been his trajectory in life?
I know.
As if that is not enough. See the way he decided to play the ultimate betrayer of his own people.
That's right.
By supporting Tambua against
my brother
that the PDP had chosen to be the #1 citizen of this country, a Yoruba Mulika Takonde. But there's always something called karma. I didn't have anything to do with that. But none of us here who are seemingly making jest of it. But we are hurting. It's just that this man threw away everything about the Yoruba heritage.
That's right.
Pander to this same Fulani that you said, wait until the Fulani take over. Are we getting real here?
No.
He's the architect of all that has happened.
That's right.
For how many years? The man even refused to study history. So that did it. Alimi, that he recruited. What did Alimi do to Afoja at the end of the day? He killed him.
Killed him.
Now, what did Alimi do?
Nothing.
He sold his birthright. He sold his people. What's the fall of the Oyo Empire? And then what happened to Akintola? In wooing and hobnobbing with the North, the Fulani, look at how it turned out to be for him. Look at Abiola. He won free and fair. Is Tinubu ever going to tell me that he has done more for the North, for the corner, for the Fulani, for the House, and more than what
Abiola has done?
For them?
No.
If you listen to the interview that Edmond Obilo conducted, the one he sought for the opinion of Dr. Victor Omololu Shubowale Ululoyo. Now, the point I'm making is very simple. It shouldn't, like in the interview that I did with the same Edmond Obilo, it shouldn't have ventured out of this very safe place. He should have walked towards building the Yoruba nation. He should have walked towards building everything.
That's right.
Like Papa Awolowo did. He should have made sure that we had a place that is second to none.
That's right. And we can.
When I was consulting actively for the World Bank, there is a document that I came across and I started to shed tears immediately. That in the whole of the world, as of 1962, no other region, no other part of the world had the kind of growth
that we have,
that the western region of Nigeria had.
Yeah.
So what stopped Tinubu from doing that? Rather than that, selfishly, he ventured into the Sahel to go and meet these same people that have shown us that they don't like us,
That's
that they don't play with. No. And look at what has happened. They will kill our people, they will not talk. The daughter of the leader of the Yoruba
was killed.
Was killed by these same people. He went to Akure and denied and said it was not the Fulani. And he said, we are the cows.
Can you imagine?
And what do you want me to do? To support such a human being? Support such a vile person who sold us to the Fulani in 2015 and continue to sell us until today.
That's right.
That suddenly now the dawn of awakening has come. Am I a fool? This man is treacherous. Fulani kill people at Okiogun, kill people at Ibarapa, kill people at Yewa. He didn't say one thing, not one sentence came from him.
Nothing.
Neither did he even try to alleviate the sufferings of these people.
That's right.
By either visiting them, or even sending them money or something. But let something happen. The small market, bonds in Kano, he goes there to donate 50 million. But then how many markets have gotten bonds in Ibadan? In Lagos here.
That's right.
So why would you come here and try to gaslight us? Why?
I wonder.
My friend and brother. On who? And people will say, oh, Tabajabi Kakuko. That is Ashipa away.
Ashipa away.
If we go to the war front and it's the real war, if I say that to an enemy, I'm dead already.
That's right. And you don't defend yourself. There, Neo. Babami.
This man didn't know that we exist before he started all his rigmarole with the Fulani and decided to jettison us. Now he's telling us, who asked you to become a slave to them, thinking that they will give you power?
And he said it there as well. He
said, conscience is an open wound. Only the truth can heal it. Who said it? Utman Dampodio. Does Tinubu have conscience?
No.
If he had conscience,
he has sold his conscience to devil.
Some of us labored. I was part of those who drew the bill. I went to radio and television to promote Amotekun. I went to defend the bill on the floor of the House of Chiefs in Ibadan. And then, has this even considered setting up Amotekun in Lagos? Like that is the kind of person you want me to have some sympathy with, empathy with.
No.
I say that is not enough. This is the man that has disrespected my own leaders, my selfless leaders.
Yeah.
Banjo, has he ever held a position? 3 times he was asked to be a House of Reps. 2 times he was asked to be a senator. 2 times he was asked to be a governor. The man refused. All he has is just his love for the Yoruba. But then he would disrespect them. So you won't tell lies against them. And then you are trying to appeal to what exactly?
I wonder.
All the bridges that he has burnt? Does anybody actually think of tomorrow in such a way that Tinubu has discarded about tomorrow? So it should be very clear to you. None of us here will be able to affect, change anything that is going to happen in Abuja. So don't come and tell us when. So if I even say, oh, okay, I support Buhari, does that support Tinubu? Does that make him Buhari's choice? Does that make him the president of Nigeria? So why don't we tell ourselves the truth and say to everyone that even if the Fulani are going to emerge and rule for another 8 years, it is Tinubu's fault.
That's right.
Not my fault. Not the fault of anyone you are trying to
blackmail
right here. Not the fault of anyone you are trying to emotionally stigmatize here. It doesn't work out that way, my brother.
No.
Tinubu is the architect of his own misfortune. End of story.
It is end of story. Tinubu, that's what our Babas did. Emma Bon till man yes so. Ṣé ẹ wo mi ò rí àwọn àgbààgbà Yorùbá tó súnmọ́ àwọn Fúlàní tó Abíọ́lá. Ẹ wo bí wọ́n ṣe ẹni tó wọlé fair election ẹ dẹ̀ ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ tì mọ́ túbú wọ́n dẹ̀ lù pamọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n pamọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni kí ló dé torí wọn ò fẹ́ kí Yorùbá débẹ̀. Wọ́n di power yẹn mú báyìí ni they won't let go. Fulani will not let the power go to anywhere. Gbogbo 30-something years tí wọ́n ti ń rule tó ti jẹ́ democracy ọ̀wọ́n ni wọ́n wà níbẹ̀. Ṣé gbà Ọbásanjọ́ ni tó bá ní Yorùbá ló wà bẹ́ẹ̀ gba irọ́ burúkú? Àwọn ló wà lábẹ́. Àwọn ló wà núgò tó jẹ́ gene. À ń gbóhùn yín bẹ̀ yẹn o. Àwọn ló wà nínú ògò tó ń jẹ́ gene. Ẹ wo nǹkan tí wọ́n ti ṣe fún àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá. Ẹ wo owó tí wọ́n change ní ìsìn. Ẹ wo bí àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá ṣe ń lálàṣí láti rí owó. Ìlú Èkó sí ìlú tó ti kí ń change owó. Tó bá máa change owó nílùú tí ẹ̀ ní mọ̀ gan. Wọ́n á sọ pé wọ́n fẹ́ change owó. Tí wọ́n bá wá change owó yẹn kódà tó bá kù ọ̀la torí mi ò tí ì rí kówó expire mọ́ mi lọ́wọ́ rí wọn àwọn náà máa kólẹ̀ díẹ̀díẹ̀ nítorí pé kí máa ń sábà kó káàṣì sílé ń bí àwọn tó yẹ pé inú ilé odindi ilé kan báyìí wọ́n lè kó káàṣì sínú ẹ̀